I'm Ad Vingeroods and I'm a professor of clinical psychology and I'm affiliated with the Department of Medical and Clinical Psychology at Tilburg University. Clinical psychology is the subdiscipline of psychology that focuses on the diagnostics and treatment of people with all kinds of problems in their social functioning, in their cognitive functioning, in their emotional functioning.
It's fascinating to me to focus on sick people because I would like to help them to improve their lives and be more confident with who they are. It's not really my personal experience, but one of my friends has anorexia, so yes, it's close to me and I wish I could help her more.
Yeah, what distinguishes Tilburg from other universities in the clinical psychology is especially the focus on emotions. And so there's a special course on what emotions are for, what normal emotional functioning is, but also what is abnormal emotional function, and in what way can dysregulation of emotion lead to all kinds of psychopathology.
For me, the highlights of the courses are role-playing, because it's really look like the real world. So I practice with students or actors, so I have to develop my communication skills, interaction skills, advice giving or something like that. After the major clinical psychology, the next step is the master clinical psychology, and then you will go to the field. You will have an internship in a prison, hospital, second line mental health care or something like that, and that's really interesting.
There are many places where you can find clinical psychologists. First of all, of course, in healthcare settings. They may have their own practice, but you can also find them in several mental health institutes. And in addition, there are many big companies who have their own clinical psychologists. And the army has clinical psychologists, the police has clinical psychologists, and so on. Everybody who is interested in humans and about their well-being and about their suffering and what we can do about the suffering, they should study clinical psychology.
The future is bright because I've learned a lot and I'm ready for practice.